Hello, hi everybody. This is my first time on a stage in a conference. Please bear with me. I'm a little nervous. Yes. So the topic, I've not shared the topic, so you're gonna guess it with me. Um, yeah. So first of all, I forgot. This is an important topic. Uh, we have to guess this together. So all of these things come from that. What we are talking about: table, clothes, mug, books, fruits. Even this girl, to be fair. It's all over the world. You can find it across the world, and it has 1 teaspoon of it contains more microorganisms than the number of human beings on this planet. Did you work it out? Anybody? Soil. You got it. Soil it is. And what else comes from it? You and me. We are a heap of food. We were not grown this big. We have eaten so much on this planet. What is soil made of? So it contains sand. What else? It contains organic matter. What is it? It is the it comes from the dead leaves and animal waste and microorganisms. These are the tiny life that exist in the soil, and it is full of life. And to be fair, most of us don't realize soil is a living matter. It's not dead. It's not dirt. So, what is soil made of? Sand, water, air, organic matter, and microorganisms. When soil is healthy, it contains a lot of organic matter and microorganisms. And healthy soil is important. Without healthy soil, you cannot grow vegetation, plants, and 90% of the food we eat comes from the soil. Healthy soil stores water as well. It protects us from floods and droughts. It stores carbon. It is a part of the solution to climate change. Which one of these is true? There is 3 times more carbon in the atmosphere than the soil, or there is 3 times more carbon in the soil than the atmosphere? B? You're pretty intelligent, knowledgeable. Very well done. Yes, exactly. So, this is a huge part of the climate change solution. But there's a problem. I can't see the timer. Where is it? Oh, there. Okay. So, the problem is without organic matter and microorganisms, soil is just sand. It cannot do any of the things that we talked about. And all over the world, we are removing the microorganisms and organic content from the soil because of the way we are doing farming. The UN says we are losing 1 acre of soil into a desert every second. UNFAO predicts that we have only 60 years of agricultural soil left. Some of you may think like I don't know, you're not going to live more than 60 years or whatever. You don't know about the next day, but there is a generation to come. You may have children, but we can easily change this. We can change how we do farming and get more organic matter into the soil. Now, you may think we are not farmers. How do we do this? We need to help farmers by bringing policies for healthy soil. And there is a global campaign to save soil, to drive this change and speak for this to the governments because we live in democratic countries. These are people internationally, like the well known people who are supporting the cause, saving the soil. You may identify some of them. So, what can we do? We can write letters to our leaders and ask them to save the soil. We can raise awareness about the soil by making art, poetry, being creative in any other way that you know, music, singing, dancing, and even talking to people like this. So, what will you do? That's it. Thank you.